if you make yourself really sensitive, if you become a yogi, you're practicing yoga, if you become a yogi, the biggest sense perception is touch. If you sit here, this is why always close your eyes, because if you're seeing, it is all distorted images that you're getting. If you close your eyes, you touch things. Life touches you in so many ways. So the more you enhance your energies, the more intense your energies become, you will see the reversal of the ratio of proportions that we have for sense perception. Right now this is 65, now this will start reversing itself. If that sense of touch becomes 65 to 70, then you don't have to look at anything. If you close your eyes, you just put your hand out like this, you know who is here, who is not here. Just like that. This process of reversal of proportions of senses is important, otherwise what you see is all there is there. Seeing is not believing for a yogi, because seeing is very deceptive. If I am only seeing you with my eyes, oh, she's so happy. All the receptionists are so happy. Hello? All the air hostesses seem to be so happy. No. If you close your eyes and feel, you know who is who. So, seeing is very, very deceptive. Anybody can fool you if all you have is just this. Hello? Anything in the world can fool you. What looks fantastic may not be so fantastic, because you see it as it appears, because what you see is only a reflection. You know this? Light falls, reflects upon you, goes and forms an image. So it's just a reflection. That reflection can be jigged whichever way you want, and that is not the real nature of things. So, even in everybody's life, it is true, when you really want to see something, unknowingly you may… Hello? Happens? Maybe it's not very well developed in most people, but when you really want to see something, what's it? Happens, isn't it? Because somewhere you may not be conscious, but somewhere deep inside there is an instinct which tells you, by closing your eyes you may see better. Or another reason why you may be closing your eyes is you want to take away the visual distraction so that you can process your thought better. That may also be another reason, but that's a different process.